Hello investors, traders, and market watchers, welcome back to Market Pulse. Before we dive into today's analysis, remember, this is market intelligence, not investment advice. Do your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. Today, we're exploring something revolutionary that's reshaping our entire economy, artificial intelligence. But this isn't just another AI discussion. We're examining the AI stocks that Wedbush's colorful analyst Dan Ives believes could potentially transform your investment portfolio. These aren't just random picks. They're companies positioned at the forefront of what Dan Ives calls the fourth industrial revolution. Dan Ives isn't just any analyst. He's the managing director at Wedbush Securities with over 2 decades of experience analyzing tech companies. His bold predictions and colorful personality have made him a regular fixture on major financial networks. What makes Dan Ives' perspective valuable is his extensive network of contacts in both public and private sectors. Recently, he's been making headlines with his bullish stance on AI, predicting that tech stocks could jump another 25% in 2025, driven by what he estimates will be over $1 trillion in AI infrastructure spending. According to Dan Ives, we're experiencing a 1995 moment in technology, comparable to the early days of the internet boom, but potentially even more transformative. Let me walk you through Dan Ives' AI stock picks, analyzing each through the lens of my long-term investment strategy. I only buy stocks trading above their 150-day simple moving average, SMA, which dramatically reduces risk while still capturing substantial upside. When a stock is below its 150-day SMA, I simply keep it on my watch list. Microsoft above 150 SMA. Microsoft is seeing impressive 33% growth in Azure, with 12 points attributed directly to AI services. The company plans to invest over $80 billion in AI-enabled data centers in 2025. Google or Alphabet below 150 SMA. Alphabet is heavily focused on integrating AI into search and cloud services. Their AI Overviews feature now has over 1.5 billion users per month, but shares tumbled when Apple suggested AI search engines will eventually replace standard search engines. Amazon below 150 SMA. Amazon plans to spend approximately $100 billion on AI capabilities in 2025, with the vast majority going toward AWS. However, reports suggest Amazon has paused some data center lease commitments. Oracle below 150 SMA. Oracle has been expanding its cloud infrastructure for AI workloads, with cloud infrastructure revenue up 52%. Despite success in the AI cloud market, the company doesn't have the same global hosting density as top providers. Palantir above 150 SMA. Dan Ives calls this company the Messi of AI. Palantir's artificial intelligence platform, AIP, has accelerated its growth rate dramatically, with US commercial business growing 70% in their latest quarter. Salesforce below 150 SMA. Salesforce continues to integrate AI throughout its product suite with Einstein AI, processing over 100 billion predictions daily. The company launched Agentforce, but expects only a modest contribution to revenue in fiscal 2025. IBM above 150 SMA. IBM's watsonx platform is showing strong adoption for enterprise AI, with double-digit growth in AI-related services. The company has expanded its partnership with Oracle to bring watsonx AI tools to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. ServiceNow above 150 SMA. ServiceNow's AI-powered workflows are transforming IT service management. The company recently launched the AI Control Tower, a centralized command center for governing AI agents and workflows. Adobe below 150 SMA. Adobe's Firefly generative AI is now integrated across its Creative Cloud suite. The company's recent earnings forecast raised concerns about the pace of AI monetization. Pegasystems above 150 SMA. Pegasystems is leveraging AI to transform business process management with its Pega Gen AI Blueprint tool, but faces intense competition from larger enterprise software competitors. MongoDB below 150 SMA. MongoDB's database solutions are increasingly critical for AI data management. The company recently acquired Voyage AI to enable more trustworthy AI-powered applications. C3.ai below 150 SMA. C3.ai has achieved 7 consecutive quarters of accelerating revenue growth, but continues to struggle with profitability, reporting an adjusted loss of $0.12 per share in fiscal Q3 2025. Elastic below 150 SMA. Elastic's search technology is being enhanced with AI capabilities and received 2 Google Cloud Partner of the Year awards for AI innovation. SoundHound AI below 150 SMA. SoundHound AI is expanding beyond voice recognition through strategic acquisitions, though it continues to face profitability challenges with reported net losses. Alibaba above 150 SMA. Alibaba has pledged to invest more than $53 billion in AI infrastructure over the next 3 years, and shares have surged more than 68% since the start of 2025. Apple below 150 SMA. Apple plans to spend $500 billion in the US over 4 years, with significant portions dedicated to AI. However, the company has faced AI development challenges, with reports of a messy AI rollout. Meta below 150 SMA. Meta plans to invest up to $65 billion in AI throughout 2025, and Meta AI digital assistant now has nearly 600 million monthly active users. Despite this, shares tumbled into negative territory for 2025 after a historic rally. Baidu below 150 SMA. Baidu recently released Ernie X1, a reasoning-focused model that boosted shares by 10.7% in a single day. Despite being one of China's earliest AI leaders, Baidu has struggled to gain widespread adoption. Palo Alto Networks above 150 SMA. Palo Alto is acquiring Protect AI to strengthen its position in the emerging AI security market. However, CEO Nikesh Arora has warned about significant new cybersecurity risks from agentic AI technology. Zscaler above 150 SMA. Zscaler's report revealed a 3,000% year-over-year growth in enterprise use of AI ML tools. However, 59.9% of AI ML transactions were blocked due to security concerns. CyberArk above 150 SMA. CyberArk enhanced its platform with AI-powered capabilities and received a price target increase from TD Cowen to $400. Despite this, the company continues to report negative earnings. Tesla below 150 SMA. Tesla plans to roll out its first paid autonomous car service in Austin, Texas in June 2025. However, the company is falling behind Waymo in the robo-taxi race. Oklo Incorporated above 150 SMA. Oklo's stock has surged over 90% year-to-date, driven by optimism about powering AI data centers. However, it remains a pre-revenue company with significant regulatory hurdles ahead. Nvidia below 150 SMA. Nvidia plans to produce up to $500 billion worth of AI infrastructure in the US over 4 years. Despite this, shares have fallen 15% this year amid global economic uncertainties. AMD below 150 SMA. AMD recently announced strong quarterly earnings, with major AI model developers now using AMD chips. However, the company will take a $1.5 billion hit to revenue due to export restrictions to China. Taiwan Semiconductor below 150 SMA. TSMC announced an additional $100 billion investment in US semiconductor manufacturing. However, the company could face a $1 billion penalty to settle a US export control investigation. Broadcom above 150 SMA. Broadcom reached a $1 trillion market valuation after projecting that AI could present a $60 to $90 billion revenue opportunity by 2027. However, the stock has pulled back approximately 28% since the start of 2025. Micron below 150 SMA. Micron's high bandwidth memory is essential for AI workloads, with all HBM chips sold out for 2025. Despite this, the company faces challenges in its non-AI segments. Several notable developments are currently impacting the AI sector. $1 trillion plus in AI infrastructure spending. Ives predicts more than $1 trillion in AI infrastructure spending in the coming years, with major tech companies dramatically increasing their capital expenditures. Regulatory environment. The Trump administration appears to be creating a more favorable regulatory environment for tech companies, with reduced antitrust scrutiny, software taking center stage. While hardware dominated the early AI narrative, Ives believes we're now entering the AI software era, with Palantir and Salesforce positioned as the best software plays. Expanding beyond the Magnificent Seven, the AI revolution is expanding beyond the largest tech companies, with Oracle, ServiceNow, Dell, IBM, and AMD joining the AI party. New architectures, NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, and the upcoming Rubin platform demonstrate the rapid pace of innovation. Here's the takeaway for navigating Dan Ives' AI stock picks. The AI revolution is real and transformative, but your timing and selectivity will determine your success. For investors looking to capitalize on this trend, here's my strategy. Use the 150-day SMA as your North Star. I never buy stocks trading below their 150-day moving average, no matter how compelling the story. This approach has kept me safely on the sidelines during numerous tech corrections. Focus on strong charts first, stories second. While Dan Ives' analysis highlights promising companies, the chart should always confirm the narrative. Right now, only about 35% of these stocks show the technical strength I want to see. Balance hardware and software exposure. While semiconductor companies drive AI infrastructure, software companies may offer better risk-reward as they monetize AI applications. Practice sector diversification. Don't concentrate only in one AI category. The stocks above their 150 SMAs span cybersecurity, hyperscalers, and software. Keep substantial cash reserves. With 65% of these AI stocks currently below their 150 SMAs, patience is key. Cash is strategic ammunition for when technical setups improve. And hey, one last thing before you rush off to your trading app. Everything we just covered, pure market intelligence and education. Your portfolio is your responsibility. The real money moves happen when you combine what you learned here with your own research. If you found value in today's analysis, please hit that like button and subscribe. For even deeper insights, join our Discord community through the link in the description. The AI revolution is just beginning, and we'll be here to guide you through every step. Until next time, this is Market Pulse, keeping you ahead of the curve.